Is your APS digital certificate a fake? Yes, you can get scammed. Hence, APS recently took out a news mentioning steps to self-validate the authenticity of your APS certificate. And in this video, I'll show those steps to you. So stay tuned.
That's make it hurt.
Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Shefali, and if you're someone who is not familiar with my content, then do check out the playlist that I have linked in my description. My aim with this YouTube channel is to document my master's journey in Germany along with helping a few other students in their application procedure and a few related topics in life in Germany. As I mentioned in my last video, I'll put a link of that video in my description, that a friend of mine recently got his APS certificate in 45 days, which was really lightning fast. So we will use his certificate to check if the certificate is actually authentic and valid. So firstly, let's check the news that came on 26th April regarding the steps to check the authenticity and validity of the digital APS certificate. You can see this news here. They have mentioned that the first batches of digitally signed certificates have been dispatched successfully, and I think that my friend was one of them, as he received his APS certificate on 26th April. On clicking this manual and FAQ for digital APS certificate, it redirects you to the PDF wherein they have mentioned the steps. Okay, so I'll be using the Adobe Acrobat PDF reader to check the authenticity of the certificate. They have mentioned a link to download the same app. So here you can see that there's a seal mentioned in your certificate. On clicking that seal, a pop-up will come up mentioning that your signature is valid. You can further go to the signature properties and you will see details like when it was signed and the source of the particular signature, and this is qualified electronic seal according to the EU regulations. And you can also see the validity. This signature identity is valid, and as of the signing timing was this. And let me mention it here as well that according to the EU regulations, the digital seals only have a validity of 3 years. So this particular digital certificate will be invalid after 3 years, and if you need an updated APS certificate, you will have to contact the APS officials regarding it. I think they have mentioned the same here as well. Let me go down and show the same. Yeah, you can see the same here that due to EU regulations on digital seals, the signature is valid, that the signature will expire after 3 years starting from the day they were issued. Okay, so along with the Adobe Acrobat PDF reader, you can use another app to check the validity, that is a DigiSeal reader, and you can download the same app from this link. The steps are also mentioned here. You can just simply go to the APS news section wherein they have given the PDF if you want to check it through the DigiSeal reader. Okay, so this is the digital APS certificate issued to my friend. You can see that the certificate is in German language and it is not available in the English language. This is just a single page. Okay, so yeah, you can, if I zoom in, you can see that there's a seal available here. Okay, on clicking that particular seal, you can see that the signature is valid, and this document has not been modified since this signature was applied. Okay, and you can further go to the signature properties and you can see that it was signed at this particular date at this particular time. Okay, and also that the signer's identity is valid. Yeah, you can see all these particular details in this certificate. So you can see that the certificate is authentic, and you have to use the Adobe Acrobat PDF reader to check for the same. Please make sure that your certificate is authentic before submitting it in the VFS office or in UniAssist and German universities for your admission application, and reach out to them if you think it's a fake. So that will be it for today's video. Do check out my other videos on APS certificate procedure, and I have put a link of the same in my description box. If you have any queries regarding the APS certificate, feel free to comment, and like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.